Understanding the phrase, top banana. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to peel back the layers on a fun and fruity phrase in the English language, top banana. If you've ever been curious about this quirky expression, you're in the right place. So, let's get ready to uncover the meaning behind top banana and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Top banana is a colloquial phrase that originates from show business. It's used to refer to the main comedian in a performance. However, its meaning has ripened over time. Today, when someone is referred to as the top banana, it means they are the most important person in a group or the leader in a particular situation. It can be used in both a humorous and serious context. The phrase, top banana, takes us back to the vaudeville era, a type of entertainment popular in the early 20th century. Comedians would perform sketches, and the leading comedian, who received the top billing, was given the metaphorical title of top banana, after a popular comedy sketch involving bananas. Over time, it became slang for anyone who was at the top of their game or in charge. Using top banana is quite straightforward. Let's look at some examples. In the corporate world, ever since she became CEO, she's the top banana at the company. Among friends, in our group of friends, Mike is the top banana when it comes to choosing the movies. At school, she's not just the class president, she's the top banana of the whole student council. While top banana is a fun phrase to use, remember that it is quite informal. It's perfect for casual conversations, but it may not be suitable for formal contexts. Additionally, as with any idiomatic expression, the tone can affect its interpretation. It can either be a compliment or a light-hearted tease. And that's a wrap on top banana. I hope this video has been enlightening and adds a new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with exciting discoveries, just like finding out the stories behind phrases like top banana. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use this expression when the opportunity arises. Catch you in the next video, and until then, keep aiming to be the top banana in your English learning adventure.